I am not defined by someone else's expectation of me. I give myself grace and room to evolve as I rediscover who I am. I will be patient with myself as I grow in this process. I am proud of myself for setting boundaries that express self-love. I will support those I love without sacrificing myself or my peace. I'm not everybody's cup of tea, and that's okay. I love what I have in my cup. I will protect my energy. Other people's opinion about me is none of my business. There is beauty in letting go. I will prioritize my needs before committing to someone else's. I am enough. I am worthy of love and acceptance. I will surround myself with people who have my best interests at heart. Everything I need to feel loved is inside of me. I accept myself. I see myself. I choose myself.
You did my mind, I swear, say now you did my mind. I swear I know the lie, I dream about you all the time. Cause girl, you blew my mind, and I know fit tonight. Oh girl, you do me bad, yeah. Oh Gechi, come on. No, my baby, oh girl, come on. Lulu fair, no cool lie, I need your love for more. I'm be femme, genyeki, obi mo, imani maga. Pretty in your love is all I do for the living. I tempted to touch your foreign booty. If I kill him all, still the love I got. Pretty full of love for back. Oh baby, this love is real. I give you all my body, I'm official. Don't I'm like Oba, boy I got my shot. Yeah, you forgot that, baby, I know say you like her. Mani magali, let her do rama, but I run to make her.